Dirty Goat says, always be good. Cow says, listen to mom and dad. Patty Penguin says, keep your room tidy. Zena Zebra says, always brush your teeth. Wally Walrus says, try your best at school. Harry Hippo says, always do your homework. Carly Cat says, always do your chores. Bubba Bear says, eat up all your vegetables. Peter Panda says, look after your things. And Leo Lion says, don't forget your manners. Words in this book says, to be, listen, add, always, good, keep, room, your, tidy, brush, teeth, dry, best, at, school, do, homework, chores, eat up, all, look, vegetables, after, things, manners, don't forget.